So yesterday I did a comparison on these two pistols you see here. My left hand, the Sig P320 X-Carry, and the Umarex Glock 17 Gen 4, again, which has been modified. And I was unable to get through that comparison because I could not get this pistol to shoot towards the end of that comparison. And, you know, I went in the house and I said to myself, you know what, I'll figure out what's going on with this thing later on. But I didn't have to, because a viewer that goes by Brett M told me what it was. It kind of gave me an idea of what it could be. And it was ammo related. So that was my first time shooting this pistol with the Hornady Black Diamonds. These two did not go well together, as you saw from that video. So, Mr. Brett M, I thank you. I thank you a lot. And I'm still trying to figure out a way to repay you for giving me, giving me what could be possibly wrong, telling me what could be possibly wrong with this pistol. And you were absolutely correct. It's ammo related. And it's also the way this pistol operates. And that is why when you pull the trigger, it actually moves the barrel back. And the way the barrel is tapered, it just was not feeding those Hornady Black Diamonds. Now, I did take a Dremel bit to it and tapered it a little bit more, so I can actually shoot the Black Diamonds out of this pistol now. Except it still has an issue, and that is with the last BB in the magazine. So, for that case, I just will not shoot Black Diamonds in this pistol. But I tried 3 different other brands that I have, some daisies, 2 different types of daisies, and another type, I don't remember the brand name is, but they all seem to work fine. Granted, trigger's still horrible, but at least I can get the gun to shoot. So, you know, I mean, what can I say? I'm not a, oh God, seem to be wrong a lot lately. And, you know, again, it still is a good, I take back what I said, you know, to stay away from it and all that good stuff. Here it is, I'm going around in circles. I don't even know what to say, man. It's just, you know, it's not as bad as I was making it out to be yesterday. Come to find out, it was the ammo. It has a strong blowback, and, you know, actually with a different brand of ammo, the accuracy wasn't bad. And so I got targets down range again at 12 yards. I want to fire 10 shots at the target, and then do 2, 2, 2, and 2 like I did with the Glock. Show you the results, and then talk just a little bit more about the pistol. You gotta go on. All right, let's go take a look at that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That was actually me. I pulled that one. But not bad. You know, I still think I could tighten. You know, I'm standing. I actually did a better group when I had it sitting. It's much easier, but you know, even standing, if that trigger pull was a little lighter, I'm pretty sure I could tighten that up. Don't know what happened there. All right. That was the first CO2 cartridge. It just released all the gas out of it. All right, so there's something wrong with the magazine. Anyway, let's go take a look. None of them hit the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's try this one over here. Let's see what's going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This pistol has a really strong blowback. Actually, the blowback on this pistol is snappier than this pistol. I give it that. And other than that, you know, again, I like the way the mag drops out. I'm personally, I don't care for safeties on my pistols, but I don't use it, and this one's really not in the way, so can't really say it bothers me much. It does just a little bit hinder me accessing the slide release, but you know, I can still do it, and I have to reach a little further over top of the safety, which I don't particularly care for. But other than that, you know, the trigger pull, it sucks. It really does. And I know Sig wanted to be a little different by going with this style of trigger, where everyone else has a somewhat type of safety on their trigger, which, you know, by doing that, you don't have to have a really heavy trigger. But I mean, it is what it is. The pistol is usable. Accuracy is not bad. I don't know. I mean, it's okay. Anyway, I'm at a loss for words right now. I'm just happy that it does. I didn't really have to do anything, you know. Again, thanks to the YouTube viewer, Brett M, for basically telling me that it was ammo related. And I got through the test this time. I'll still take this over this one, but this one isn't as bad as I made it to be in my last video. Also, not as great as I made it to be in my first video. So, take that. That's it.